Hello students, next drug is the caffeine. The source of the caffeine is a Paulinia cupana, and it is a purine xanthine alkaloid obtained from the seeds and belong to the family of these Sapondaceae. Caffeine is also obtained from the tea leaves, coffee seeds, kernels of coca plant. The tea leaves, it's a Camellia sinensis which belong to the family of Thicaceae. Coffee seeds having a biological source of Caffeia arabica belonging to the family of Rubiaceae, and kernels of coca plants are obtained from Thibrona cocoa belonging to the family of Sterculinaceae. The industrial production of the caffeine can be obtained from any of these processes by tea, coffee, or coca. So let's start the production by the tea leaf. Tea leaf powder we will take and boil with alkaline water, which is 2% water by volume of sodium carbonate, for at least 10 minutes. An extract is filled in the hot condition. The remaining tea leaf residue again boiled with sufficient quantity of water for 10 to 15 minutes, followed by filtration in hot condition to get an aqueous extract. Mix the aqueous extract, evaporate it to reduce the volume, and cool it to a room temperature. The cool aqueous extract partitions with a sufficient quantity of dichloromethane for 3 times to get a maximum yield. Drain the dichloromethane fractions through a bed of anhydrous sodium carbonate in order to remove the moisture and collect the dehydrated dichloromethane fraction. Evaporate the dichloromethane fractions gently to get a crystals of caffeine, and this caffeine is further purified by recrystallization from hot ethanol, followed by drying in desiccator or sublimation. Next is the estimation of caffeine. We'll do a assay by a IP method. We first of all we weigh accurately isolated purified caffeine as specified and dissolve it in 5 ml of anhydrous glacial acetic acid with gentle washing. The mixture is titrated with 0.1 molar perchloric acid, determining the end point potentiometrically. The percentage content calculated on the following factor, like 1 ml 0.1 molar perchloric acid is equivalent to 0.01942 gram of perchloric acid. Chromatographic estimation is being used. We are using estimation method is HPTLC. For the experimental condition, we have a mobile phase of methanol is to acetonitride in a ratio of 65 is to 35 volume by volume. Column chromatography, we are using a reverse phase, that is C18 column, 150 to 4 mm ID, that is a 5 microgram, and the flow rate is 15 ml per minute. For the estimation of caffeine content was made by using a high pressure liquid chromatography with the mobile phase, that is 65 is to 35 mixture of water methanol and acetonitrile reactions for 10 minutes with flow rate of 15 ml per minute using a C18 HPLC column. The caffeine detected at 250 nanometer using a UV detector, and 10 concentration of standards like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 up to 100 ppm, and known concentration of test caffeine were used for the analysis. Same process as we had using in HPLC. Caffeine elutes at approximately 1:1 minute. For 1.1 minute, the area of this peak is measured and the replicates of each standards were taken, and a plot of peak area versus concentration was made.